Hey guys, it's Lauren from the Tealight Planner Co, and today I have new releases to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so new releases have hit the shop today and I'm very excited to show you what they are. They're very pretty, so let's get started with the new full kit. So here's the new full kit. It is called Blue Christmas. I really like it, all the blues and everything. So let's look at each page. So here's the deco page. Lots of pretty Christmas stickers. I love the window and the Christmas tree. I like all of it, but really pretty. So that is the deco page. And then here are your full boxes. So those are the full boxes. And then here are your checklists and glitter headers. Then your half boxes and quarter boxes. Then we have your functional page. Then we have your weekly page. And then your washi page. It's really pretty. Alright, so that is the full kit. With the full kits in my shop, you have the option to buy the full kit or buy each page individually. It's completely up to you. You don't have to have the full kit. Each page is available on its own if you like to build your kits that way. That is an option. And now we're going to go into the matching journal kit. So this is journal kit 62 and it matches Blue Christmas. Here's your add-on sheet, completely optional. You don't have to get that with the journal kit. And then we have your first page. Oops. Goes like that. Here is your first page to the journal kit. Okay. I really like this torn paper sticker right there. It's very cozy, I think. It's like you're inside looking at the beautiful scenery. I think it's really pretty. And then here is your second page. Same here, there's another window. And then like a sweater, torn paper sticker. So many pretty stickers. And then the paint swatch stickers, which are in a separate listing, and you can get this with the kit if you want to. Totally an option. If you don't want it, that is fine. And then the last thing to show you guys, so yeah, there's not too many things, but the last thing to show you guys is I made another journaling sheets kit. So here it is. This is journal sheet kit number 6. And I think the reason I call it this is because you can buy each page individually and they're more like on the decorative side. But here's your first page. It's just a bunch of decorative stickers. They're like gift boxes and some florals, very Christmassy. I really like this one. Like, they're just so pretty and so cute. And then here is the second page. Just some functional and some torn paper stickers. Just really pretty. I really like these. So these are the new releases for this week. I hope you guys like them. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And this weekend for these new releases, October 6th through the 8th, you will get a free Oopsie sticker page with every order. So like, it's just a page that I cut that isn't perfect. Minor imperfections, you can get one of those for free if you order this weekend. So definitely do that if you're interested. But yeah, it's just with any order. You don't have to purchase these to get a free Oopsie sticker page. It's just with any purchase. So yeah, that's going on this weekend. Be sure to hit that like button if you like these stickers, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.